Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to add bronze gold, silver, bronze results. So for that purpose we can go to save script and we can add these variables: public static pool gold files, silver files, bronze files, and fail files initially. So these are important here, and after adding these variables we can go to UI script, and inside UI script we can actually we can go to this script, race type script, and inside race type script we can just add this function inside update. We can just move further here, and I just categorize these as like this, and you can see we have gold minutes, and we will just create if time trial equal to true, then we have added gold minutes, and if save script race time minutes is less than gold minutes, then we want to debug gold, save script dot gold equal to true. So if race time minutes are equal to gold minutes and save race time seconds are lesser than gold seconds, then even we will get the gold medal. So we'll just copy and paste the same code here for silver minutes, but here we will also add if save script dot gold equal to false, then we want to debug the silver, and the silver medal will be true. If save script dot race time minutes equal to silver minutes, and save script race time seconds is less than silver seconds, then save script dot gold equal, if this gold is fast, then we are getting silver medal. And similarly for bronze we will use the same technique. Here you can see the code, and now finally we will just create a else if statement, and if we didn't get any of these medals, then we will fail. If we if we can't reach to the final point before it ends, before 2 minutes. Actually we have added the minutes in the editor. So now you can see that if we select the canvas, you can see we have everything available here. And now if we go to starting lights, we have added race type, and we have added the minutes. You can see bronze minutes, silver minutes, and gold minutes. And that's it. If we play the game, we can calculate the things now, and I will just minimize the screen so that we can recheck the console as well. So I will just test it out, and we will resume the video. So you can see that we are reaching within the time. So let's see, and you can see that we got silver medal. Yeah, that's great. We are getting silver medal, and because we have placed this, I think, in update function. So yeah, in update function, so it's running with every frame. Okay, so that's great. Definitely we can create a UI for this silver medals and or any other medals. So let's go to UI canvas, and let's create a panel here, and we'll just go to scenes, and let's make it small. So add it like this maybe, and I will just rename it to medals panel. like this, and inside this panel we can just okay, I will just give it color for now, and later on I will just remove the color. So here you can see that we can place the sprite inside this panel. So let's go to canvas, UI, image, and I will name it gold image. And for this image we can go to sprites, and we will just place this gold star over here, and let's move the star to the left inside this panel, and then we can just add a text in front of this. So we just right click here and UI legacy text, and I'll just name it phone gold medal, like this. Okay, and we can just select the style. So let's add this good time, I think, bold, and make it 48, and we'll just make it left rapid overflow. Let's make it white, and you can see that it's quite good. So the size of this thing is also good, actually not too big. So I'll just add it in the middle. So we'll just name it gold medal text, like this, and we can actually click on this and we can modify this thing a little bit, and yeah, let's add it here, and we will definitely select the medals panel, and let's add the medal panel like this, and I will rename it to gold medal panel. And if we go to game view, you can see it is like this, which is good, and it should be in the middle. So a little bit I will select it, and before that I will just add these things inside this panel, and now we'll just move this panel in approximately in the middle, and that's good place. So this is a gold medal panel, and we'll just duplicate it, and I will just rename it to silver medal panel, and I will just duplicate it again, and bronze medal panel, like this. And now we will just modify inside things. So I will just hide this gold medal panel, that is fine, and for this silver medal panel we will just change the image. So we'll just name it silver image, and we'll just change the text to silver text, like this. And the thing is that we should recheck the every text. So here you can see silver medal, this is also good, but we will just move these things a little bit like this, so that it will be in the middle. And a silver medal is also ready, so we can hide it as well. And now we will have bronze medal. So let's add the name to bronze, and select this text and bronze medal. Okay, so That's great. We have successfully created all three medals objects. So now we can just save everything, and we can hide this medal as well. Now we can actually add the reference to this thing. So race type, we can add a public game object, and we can name it gold medal, like this. And public game object silver medal, and public game object, and we can say that to bronze medal, like this. Save it. And now where we are debugging this line of code, we don't want to debug this line of code. We actually want to enable the gold medal dot set active true. Sorry, true, like this. And then for this we will actually gold medal dot set active will be true. And in this case, copy this line of code and we'll just paste it here as well. And for the silver, we will just add silver medal dot set active true, if this is the case. And definitely we will just copy this line of code. Let's paste it here as well. And then finally we will have bronze medal dot set active true, and then we will have the same line of code here as well. Save it. And for the fail, yeah, we didn't have created fail text, so let's move back, and I will just duplicate this and let's enable it, and we will say fail medal, and here we can just add a fail image. So let's move to fail image. So maybe we will find some fail PNG image. So let's add PNG. So here you can see that we have a lot of failed things, but we want to add this thing like this, or maybe some cartoonish icon will be good. So I will find it and we will resume the video. Okay, so I have added this fail icon, so let's rename it to fail image, and then we can add this icon maybe here. You can definitely use your own icon. So here you can rename it to fail text, and you are failed. Or you can see you can lose a game or any other text you can define. So here I will just select both of these and we'll just add it here in the middle. And for the text, I'll just make it inside the panel. And now we have this fail medal as well. So I think I have defined this fail medal or not. So we didn't have defined it. So public game object, and we'll just say fail medal like this. Save it. And now inside the fail, instead of debug, we'll say fail medal dot set active true, and that's it. So now definitely I will just rename the related fields a little bit. So inside the gold text is fine. Inside silver I will just rename it to silver, just for our understanding, although if you not change the text it doesn't matter. So here we will just add bronze, and now if we select the canvas you can see that we will have a save script and US script, and on the gold, silver, bronze panel you will see that we have this, sorry, on the starting light panel we have these objects here inside race or race type. So here we will just add gold medal panel, silver medal panel, bronze medal panel, and fail medal panel, and now it should work. And let's see how it will look like. Okay, so let's see. So hopefully we will be in time. So yeah, let's see. And you can see that this game slows down and you won the gold medal because we are within the time of gold medal. So that's great. We have successfully implemented this thing, and in next video we will just move further with the waypoint cars and we will start creating AI system. That's it for this video. Let's meet in next video. Goodbye.